adding up to 20. Question 1. 11 plus 5 equals 15. B. 16. C. 17. Let's count it together. Chickens plus 5 chickens equals 16 chickens. Correct answer B. Question 2. 13 plus 2 equals 15. B. 14. C. 13. Let's count it together.
13 trees. Ho, ho, ho.
Plus
2 trees. Ho, ho, ho.
Equals
15 trees. Ho, ho, ho. Correct answer. Ho, ho, ho.
Question 3. 16 plus 3 equals 18. B. 17. C. 19. Let's count it together. 16 apples plus 3 apples equals 19 apples. Correct answer C. Useful table for adding up to 20. 11 plus 1 equals 12, 11 plus 2 equals 15, 11 plus 3 equals 14, 11 plus 4 equals 15, 11 plus 5 equals 16, 11 plus 6 equals 17, 11 plus 7 equals 18, 11 plus 8 equals 19, 11 plus 9 equals 20.
12 plus 2 is equal to 14. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. 12 plus 7 is equal to 19. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20.
13 plus 3 equals 16, 13 plus 4 equals 17, 13 plus 5 equals 18, 13 plus 6 equals 19, 13 plus 7 equals 20.
14 plus 4 equals 18. 14 plus 5 equals 19. 14 plus 6 equals 20.
15 plus 5 equals 20.